another big boy there come up. Look at that, guys.
It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, the history.
So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, I go on, it's a Jamaican Thing TV fans today again, guys, and guess what? Now guys, you don't know, from the other day I was showing you guys some of our roads. You don't know some of our, dangerous terrain in terms of traveling. You don't know in terms of, tedious road, dangerous road. And today guys, taking the guys on another journey. To another section of Jamaica where you find another dangerous section of road, guys. Today we're traveling through the Junction. We're heading to Portland, guys. We're traveling to the Junction that's from Manor Park in Kingston, or at St. Andrew. Yeah, Manor Park in St. Andrew, all the way to St. Mary. We're traveling through the Junction, guys. Now we're taking you guys along. Now this road can be really, they call it now, ticklish. Yeah, we're going to take on the road. We're going to show you how this road, situate and how difficult it is to maneuver. Alright? So, tag along, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. So, we're in the Manor Park area right now, heading up towards Old Stony Hill. Yeah? But we're not traveling Old Stony Hill, guys. We're traveling on a new Stony Hill road. Yeah, man, seeing how the thing come down with the Manor Park right now. In the Manor Park area, guys. In the Manor Park area. About to head up Stony Hill. Alright, so come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. So right now heading up Stony Hill direction. Alright guys, so straight ahead we'll take it to Old Stony Hill. So if you take that left turn, that would take it to Old Stony Hill. Now we're taking the right turn, take you to Stony Hill on the new road. you guys, we're heading towards Stony Hill right now. Yeah guys, this road can be considered, I don't know, one of the dangerous roads. One of the dangerous roads in Jamaica right now. Through Stony Hill, through the Junction, can be considered as one of the dangerous roads right now in Jamaica, guys. Still, you know, and my boy, I go up the hill, man, play with the hill. Although this part of the road is the better part of the road, you guys. You don't know. This part of the road is wider. You don't know. So double traffic, you know, move easier upon this part of the road. You know, the further we go up in the hills, alright, well, the further we go down into St. Mary, because once we reach Stony Hill, we no longer have any more hill like that to go up. We're just going to continue going down, which is down into St. Mary. So basically up in Stony Hill right now, guys. This is Stony Hill Town. For all you guys who don't know Stony Hill Town, this is Stony Hill Town. And yeah guys, as I said before, we're traveling through the junction today. Traveling through the junction today. Use up on the mirror now. Why not behave like this on the road? Wanna just drive out and do nothing and not use up mirror and them thing there. Yeah, man, the best dressed chicken. Yeah guys, so we're going down into St. Mary. Still in St. Andrew. Still in Upper St. Andrew or Northern St. Andrew. So we're going into St. Mary. So we're traveling through the junction today, guys. Traveling through the junction. So you see, climbed the hill a while ago. So fly over the hill a while ago. But I notice now, guys, different meds, once in turn down the hill now, different different meds, different style of driving now. Once I turn down the hill, it's a different style of driving. Can't do it as hard as it as them come up a while ago. Okay guys, so we just passed through Stony Hill. Just passed through Stony Hill. Yeah man, nice countryside view, you know? These roads are a bit bumpy as well guys, because you don't know the old fashioned type of fixing a road. A lot of that is was done on this road. So them fix the road, but the road fix uneven. Yeah, so you don't know the road kind of bumpy because of the unevenness. Style of driving now, guys. Russian thing him up on a while ago. Calm. Alright guys, so we're up in the Golden Spring area. Yeah man, up in the Golden Spring area now. Golden Spring. You don't know, a little town of Golden Spring. You realize again, you know, guys, once him dip on the flat, gone again. Yeah, guys, so we're there up on the road. Check on the junction. Truck you would turn off. Yeah man, so this thing set like him turn off on another route. Yeah man, now guys, once you're in a them vicinity here, you know, guys, then to the on them road here, then we are the next man them. Then we are the next man them run off them road there, you know, guys. The man them not play with them route here, guys. Most of them don't play with this route here. butterfly effects on the road. So we're still in the Golden Spring area, guys. Going through the junction, one of the worst things is to actually meet up on a truck. For some people, it's one of the worst things. For others who don't mind, you don't know, it's okay. No, we can see that there's a truck up ahead. Kind of building up a little traffic right now. Yeah, man, there's a truck up ahead. Kind of building up a traffic as well. Yeah, and it's surprising though, you know, guys. Surprising. As them fix them road here in no time, them get bad again. Because they fixed the road here recently, you know, look, done bad again. Real nice countryside view, you know. River down the road there. So we can go a little view of the river. That's the river right there. Yeah, man, that's the river right there. Just driving past the river as well. This left turn will take you to Lawrence Tavern. So this next turn will take you to Lawrence Tavern. Guys, so we're just passing through Temple Hall. guys, when a truck is loaded and traversing this route, it's totally different from when a truck is empty. Yeah man, totally different from when a truck is empty, guys. I don't know. Horn is essential. Good brake, horn, good judgment, essential on the road here now, guys. Spring right there. So there's a lot of waterways up on the hill here, guys. Yeah man, and hey, another thing, when you're in them here, guys, there's one thing you have to look out for. You have to take caution and look out for is landslide. So what we're talking about, guys, that's exactly what we're talking about there. Landslide. So whenever you have heavy rain, it's not normally the best time to travel through the junction. So if you have an option, most of the time, if you have an option, it's best if you take the option. Because any game can play when it wants to touch through the junction. When you come on to landslide and things. guys don't realize how the road them get narrow, guys. That way I talk about once you touch Once you pass Stony Hill coming down into St. Mary, yeah, man, a different kettle of fish, man. Different ball game. Once you leave Stony Hill coming down into St. Mary, different ball game. Road, the terrain is totally different. The road, totally different. So the guy fly over the hill earlier. If you come up to Stony Hill, fly over the hill, don't it? Right now a different ball game, guys. Them really have to know where you don't want to touch them side. Landslide. I have to look out for them thing there, guys. Landslide. See another look at the area. Landslide occur again. Yeah, man. I have to look out for them thing. Definitely, guys, when you're in them area, nobody, it make no sense to wind up and listen. You get me I say? It make no sense to wind up in them area and listen. Because the truck of them are going to blow them horn. And the man that took the horn all along, and everybody will come up same way. Everybody will come up same way, even though the man that took the horn. Yo, so them serious. Even though the man that took the hand, everybody will push up, force up same way, right? No, sir. Everybody are force up same way, even though the man are two to the hand. Another big boy there come up. Guys, and it's why the iron is essential, and it's why it's essential or important for you guys acknowledge the iron, yeah, or winding the window down, or you know, give a listening ear while you don't drive on them road here. Go on, man. Up on the roadside, yam, cocoa, breadfruit, whatever fresh gun produce. Yeah, man, August them are selling at the country area, you know. guys, Augusta them are still in the country area, man. Another piece of land landslide again. Again, guys, another piece of landslide again, you know, man. Right on the river coast. Big boy come up on the opposite side. Show them people easy, you know, or when the man took the hand, it's like them now, listen out. Now the river come down, you know, guys. The river really messy right now. So you know there's a lot of rain in the hills. No, there's a lot of rain in the hills. Alright guys, so we're now on the border of St. Mary and St. Andrew. So once we cross the bridge, you know, guys, yeah, we're in St. Mary. So we just crossed over the bridge. We're now in St. Mary. On the road, you know, a lot of water on the road due to the rain. Wow. The lady a plant up her flowers them and things. And the vehicle I have to look out for them area here. There's a lot of coaster bus on this route, guys. This is not really a taxi route. You might find 1 and 2 taxi, but this is mostly a bus route. You don't even have a route taxi on this in this area. You know, probably a man that decides alright then he's gonna carry some people. You know, as a taxi, but not a regular route taxi. So this route is mostly a bus. So this is actually a bus route. Patrols. Spring breakout here and there. A little waterway here and there. Like we even have rain since morning. Even the amount of water I see around on the road, it seems like rain down here since morning. As I look at the river, guys. Just look at the river. More than I go out with the fish right now. So we're entering into Castleton, and there is also a lovely garden. Yeah, a lovely garden here in Castleton, guys. You don't know, named Castleton Gardens. So just like how you have Hope Gardens, yeah, you have Castleton Gardens where you can come and picnic out, and you have a whole lot of flowers and things to walk and, you know, observe, stuff like that. Yeah, man, we're in the area, man, Castleton Garden, you know. Castleton Gardens, right on the riverside, guys. Nice lush greenery and all. To make a stop, guys, because nature is just beautiful. Nature is just beautiful, and I had to show you guys. Look at this. Nature is just beautiful. Oh my word. Nature is just beautiful, guys. Look at it. Nature is just beautiful. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. And once you have rainfall, guys, you have breakwater water areas like these. Yeah, man. I got have breakwater water areas like these. In the hills. Come out of the rocks. So the right on the riverside, guys, right on the river bank basically, So the road is actually built right on the river bank. Come on, right on the river bank, guys. So right now the river is on my right going down, and on one section of the road the river is going to be on my left. But as I say, guys, when on the road there we have to always look out for landslide, especially when it touch rainy time, guys. Remember that once it touch rainy time, I have to look out for landslide in that area here. Beautiful mountainside view. Mr. Bus again. I don't know that I come from off Bay or probably Anata Bay. That I come from Anata Bay basically. Most of the time Anata Bay them I come from through to half a tree or maybe downtown Kingston. So on your left turn here, guys, you can end up in Highgate. So if I take this left here, you can end up back in Highgate. we pass that bridge there, right at the intersection that takes it to Highgate. The river is now on our left. Yeah man, the river is now on our left, guys. So you'll find all the little spring them and thing, all the little water area them on our right. Big boy, big duffer coming down the hill. Another fuel truck that as well. About them road here now, guys. See if I can avoid edges of them road here, better for you. Yeah man, if I can avoid the edges of them road here, better for you, because if you realize every now and again you can see some little breakaway at the edges of the road. So while driving in the junction, avoid all the road edges if you can, guys. Yeah man, so with the friendship gap now, guys. Right now with the friendship gap, so we'll continue our journey in a friendship gap, right from friendship gap. Yeah, seems like the truck is not too far away. Yeah, I will never spend long. So there's still a traffic behind him, as you guys can see. Yeah man. Around there. That's the truck around there, guys. Yeah man, once in the junction, you know, and there's a truck ahead, you know, man, you can just call it a day, you know. Yeah man, you can just call it a day after just travel behind the truck. No, there's a whole lot of waterways, as I said before. Once a rainy time in the junction. So one more here, guys. Nature just do its thing, you know. Nature just do its thing, bro. see another water we here break out, guys. Beautiful. Nature, man, at its finest. Again, load up the road with water. Load up the road with water. Yeah, man, vendors on the road as usual. Sell them food, you know, own produce. Yeah, man, once they make the truck hole in the once they make the truck hole around here, brother, just know say I eat that, you know. Just know say I eat that. That was behind him already passed. Countryside view, guys, look at that. Nice countryside view. Once I make him all in here, no, man. Once I make him all in here, no, guys. That is it. You understand? You don't know, call it a day and know, say, oh, we have to just make him carry out. No, the river is now on the other side, guys, as I said to you before. So the river is now on the left. The good thing is that we don't beat up on other big boy on the road, guys. That is the good thing. We don't meet up on other big boy on the road, guys. You know, when you meet up on any other big boy, then probably both of them might have some difficulties passing each other. Passed him already. We basically caught up with him now. Again, guys, landslide breakaway. Landslide and breakaway right the same, guys. So road breakaway on one side, and then you have landslide. So you have landslide from half of the hill, and then the road breakaway on the other side to go over to the river. Landslide take place, you know, guys. Yeah, man, a whole lot of landslide take place. Water way again. Seems like you have a little tractor try to clear some of the landslide in the area. Seems like there's another big boy in the area, or somebody probably come up on him. Difficulty always occur when the people them not listen out for the horn, you know. Yeah, man, this is the difficulty always occur. So it seems like there was a landslide right here. General, I'll clean up it. So as soon as if the rain fall in them area, guys, most of the time it's best. You don't know if you can find an option, you know, take another route. If you don't mind the time, if you might get held up or whatever, then you don't know, take the chance. Man, everywhere you look, you see a little spring or a little waterway break out on the hillside. Everywhere you look, house they gone on the hilltop. That's all. Alright, so like right here, so guys, you see that edge there? Can't take a chance with that edge there, you know. Yeah man, can't take a chance with that edge there. So them cross the manfield. Have to wait. Catch another gear and go again. So this is what it's like in the junction, guys. This is what it's like in the junction. Yeah? You don't know, traveling this route, driving a heavy unit, driving a truck. Or just basically traveling behind one of those heavy units or trucks. Another dangerous thoroughfare, not only with, you know, the type of vehicle, but with, in terms of natural happenings as well. See, as I said earlier, landslide can cause problem for your own here, as well as, you don't know, just traveling the route, driving a big unit, or simply just driving on this road. I never might know. Truck man there. I have to make sure say beam judgment good as well. I have to make sure say brake up and hot. You understand? I mean hot, I mean hot literally, but after work. So look at this, guys, nice, beautiful river view. Yeah man, overlooking the river. That's landslide right here, guys. So you might just have come through the junction and you don't know, God forbid, landslide occur. You don't know, even at the way. Probably if you're driving a smaller vehicle, even at the way, landslide occur. Destruction, that, you know, guys. Broadgate. So we're in the community of Broadgate right now, guys. This is mostly probably, yeah, this is the last community we'll pass through before we end up on the, well, outer the junction. So we're now in the community of Broadgate. Nice, beautiful landscape view. Nice. So that's some of the work that was being done. You don't know to get the junction. I don't know, in a better condition for traversing. So this is actually the newest section of the road. Yeah guys, so we're actually out of the junction right now. Yeah man, I have to give thanks. Actually out of the junction right now. Big boy make it out safe. We make it out safe. Yeah, we're gonna meet up one other big boy in a bad area in terms of guys, you know, one they behind a truck in the junction and the truck they meet up on another truck in one of them bad corner there, you know, guys. Yeah, with traffic behind both of them. Yeah, you know, one that cause that can, you know, cause a big problem. That can cause a big problem. Now guys, remember, you know, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content like these. Yeah man, so it seems like you might take that left turn. We'll be going to Portland, so continue on our journey. Alright guys, so big up on yourself. Thanks for joining me. We're in the St. Mary JP area now. You see a whole lot of coconut, a whole lot of pine, a whole lot of banana. So until next time, big up on yourself. This is your boy Noali saying peace out. So basically out of the junction, guys. Yeah guys, so out of the junction. Thank you Lord. Portland, here we come. And that'll be next.